For most woodworkers, space is a challenge. I mean, most people, they have small garages to work in or just a very small shop. So you gotta move stuff out of the way. So that's why most people like to put small workbenches, usually like something like this, on casters because you can move it out of the way when you need to, and then roll it back when you do need it. This roll around workbench, or why it's really a good thing to have, is because I can roll it over here to my table saw, and it's a pretty good outfeed table because I haven't built an outfeed table for my table saw yet. And I can roll it, take the tools off, roll it over here, use it as the outfeed table, and then I can roll it back and then put my tools on it and use it like I normally would. So this is what I mean. You can put your tools on your workbench, like however big it is. Like mine, I can only fit about 2. I could probably fit 3, but I like to just put 2. Then after I'm done using it, then I can roll it back to where it needs to go. So I got the workbench back there, and as you can see, this is a really easy way to make your shop mobile. To, like, if you like to bring out your tools a lot and then store them away in the corner of your shop or garage, it's a really easy way of moving your tools around, or your workbench. You could also do it with tool stands as well. Like if I built a tool stand for this bandsaw, I could put casters on that and move it around. So I would say putting casters on your workbench or tool stands is a really nice way of making your tools mobile, because you can move them to where you need them to go to use them, and then put them back to store them away until you need them again. Plus, doing casters on a workbench is really cheap. It's only about 20 bucks to get 4 casters, or 2-inch casters as I got, which is pretty good because it has about 320 pound weight limit, I think it was. And it's a really great solution for me to roll out my workbench and use them, and then put them back, and then I'm good to go. So thanks for watching my video. This is basically just a video about talking about putting casters on a workbench, like basically the pros of doing it. I don't really think there's anything bad about putting casters on your workbench. It's just really a con maybe to some people, as it might make it a little bit taller, but that's not really bad for me. It only made about 2 inches taller, I think it was. So hey, if you're new to woodworking, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, because I will be putting out woodworking basics videos as well as woodworking projects and tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video.